Hi guys. Welcome to the channel Mystery Gadgets, and we are here again to introduce you the futuristic gadgets that is going to revolutionize the world. Gadgets are important in day-to-day of our life, and although our technology is growing day to day, it's our responsibility to make use of them, but it's also important to know the gadgets very well. So we will show you some of the best 5 gadgets that available all around the world in this video. Before seeing the video, please ensure that you like, comment and subscribe the channel for updating technology. Don't forget to share with your friends so that they can also see our video of tech gadgets. So we can go to the video. Number 1. DGUI Smartphone Mirroring. When you use your phone on the go, the DGUI smartphone mirroring device will help keep it safe. The DGUI wirelessly mirrors the screen and functionalities of your smartphone from up to 10 meters away, while your real phone remains securely tucked away in your zipped pocket or backpack. It doesn't contain any data from your original phone, so it's no problem if you accidentally damage it or lose it, or if someone steals it. Using this inexpensive decoy device, you get access to the full range of your top-of-the-line phone's capabilities without touching it. This clever gadget works without an internet connection, so you can use it in areas where you don't have any signal or Wi-Fi. If something does happen to your DGUI, it will automatically disconnect from your original smartphone. Never worry again about what might happen to your top-of-the-line smartphone when you're on the go. Number 2. DJI Air 2's Photography Drone. Take your image and video content to new heights with the DJI Air 2's Photography Drone. This gadget comes with a 1 CMOS sensor, which is double that of the Mavic Air 2. This specification, combined with large 2.4 mm pixels, makes this drone capable of capturing every detail of a subject. Additionally, the DJI Air 2 shoots videos in 5.4K to deliver authentic color tones and rich clarity for footage on a whole new level. It's also equipped with advanced image transmission technology and 1,080p image quality for ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable content. Most impressively, this gadget can even obtain crisp footage from up to 12 kilometers away. Moreover, DJI designed this drone with the new MasterShot feature. With one tap, it will fly several routes while filming its surroundings. Plus, the 4-directional obstacle sensing ensures that it always remains focused on the subject. Number 3. YF-Life Air 6 Plus Space Station Purifier. Clear your air of harmful molecules with the YF-Life Air 6 Plus Space Station Purifier. This compact gadget uses space station technology to destroy nasty molecules without creating any waste. Using this advanced PCO nano photocatalysis technology, it ensures you can stop worrying about the allergens and pollutants that get in your home. Capable of cleaning spaces up to 360 square feet in size, it kills viruses, allergens, and pollutants. Moreover, it's almost completely silent at just 20 decibels, meaning you can even sleep with it on. Plus, it's super compact at just 3.5 by March 5 by June 5 inches in size. It easily fits in the palm of your hand, so you can take it from room to room. With this space station purifier, you don't have to buy replaceable filters because it comes with a washable filter that lasts a lifetime. Say goodbye to causing landfill waste. Number 4. Inflate-R Wireless Air Pump. The Inflate-R is a compact device that's smaller than a water bottle, so it's easy to store in your car, purse, or a backpack. It comes with a nozzle that plugs into the top of the device and measures your tire's size. It can then add the amount of air you need. But air isn't the only thing this roadside assistance device comes with. It also has a power bank with micro USB charging and an LED flashlight. This cool air pump provides up to 150 psi of air and inflates various objects in minutes. If you take a lot of road trips, you know how important it is to check your tires and, if necessary, add some air before you head out. But in the excitement of planning, it's a step that's easy to overlook. Number 5. Zoop Scoop Intelligent Scooping System. This cool air pump provides up to 150 psi of air and inflates various objects in minutes. If you take a lot of road trips, you know how important it is to check your tires and, if necessary, add some air before you head out. But in the excitement of planning, it's a step that's easy to overlook. With a rotating handle, it delivers any powder no matter how fine to any container accurately and without any mess. Moreover, this portable, convenient gadget has an extendable handle. With 2 extension options, it eliminates unhygienic situations and stops sticky hands from touching powder. Plus, this intelligent scooping system has measuring lines on the side so you always get just the right powder volume. Made with a no-spill funnel, the Zoop Scoop dispenses every type of powder with precision. Finally, available in 25 and 70 ml capacities, there's a scoop size for all powders and needs. We show you some of the cool gadget in this video. I think you have liked this video. If you like it, please click on like icon, and if you don't like it, comment it why you don't like the video in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos in your thumb. So we are concluding the video. We Mystery Gadgets signing off. Thank you.